Hello, I'm Jitender. Welcome back to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can use your ink to animate in PowerPoint. Let me just show you with an example. So here on the screen, you can see I have a slide which shows what are the key issues within an organization. So let's say I have highlighted a couple of things. So right now you can see I'm using a pen tablet. So let's say you can come to draw and I've already drawn. Let me just quickly show you. So you have, let's say you want to point out 555 billion and then low sales is 589, something like that, and number of hours available is this, high employment, loss, all these things. And when you just preview it, so let's just preview, you don't see anything. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is, let's say you're going to present this PPT somewhere in there, you may not have access to pen and tablet. In that case, what you can do, you can already write those pen marks in the PPT and you can animate those. So once you press this key on the keyboard, you can see 55 billion, 589, number of available labor, and the employee's loss. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how can you do that very easily using just PowerPoint. Here you can see I have an empty slide with no marks, okay, with no ink. It's called actually ink. So any color of your choice you can choose from here. So right now I'm going with black. Let's say you want to go with red and you want to increase the thickness of your brush or the ink pen that you are using. And it doesn't necessarily that you use ink or pen. You can use your mouse as well. So let's say I will write something here. Okay, so let's say you are trying to highlight 55 billion. Okay, and you can just put a mark, it's gone up. Then you will say 352, it came down like that. Then you can say there is some delay in the raw material, so you can just say, let's say delay in the material. And then you can say the loss is because the labor migrated during the COVID-19 time, so that migration became more. Okay, so these are the key ink marks that you want on your slide. Next, what you have to do is, let's just click on this arrow here so that we'll come out of the drawing tool. Now come to the animation tab and let's just select one by one. So I want first this circle to come. So you can see when you select this option ink here, you'll get an option called replay. So I'll select replay here. So you can say the replay is happening. But one thing, when you notice that replay is happening too slow, so what you can do is you can come here to the duration and you can just change the time to somewhere around 1 second or whatever you feel better. So right now I'll click again preview. Now somewhat it looks fine. So similar way you have to do again. So again I'll press replay. Again it's going too slow. Don't worry, we'll do it all together, but let's just apply. So I'll select this, I'll click on animation painter. And then next I want this one. Okay, next I want, again I'll animation painter. Next I want this. Okay, animation painter. And again next I want this. Again animation painter. This. And last animation painter. This. Okay, so let me just show you a preview how it looks like. So here we have the slide, and the moment I press the arrow key on the keyboard, you will see, you can say now verbally, like the financial year 2018-19 has a sale of 55 billion, which is increased. And then we have the sale reduced because of COVID to 352, which is because of this, and the delay in the raw sale or something like that, whatever you're trying to say. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can use ink in PowerPoint. But just wait, I have one more thing to tell you. What if you want to go in a reverse order? Okay, means sometime it may be possible. In that case, you can just do rewind. Okay, now other use of ink tool here is, let's say I'll take a new slide. Okay, in fact I can write some name. Okay, if you want to greet somebody. Okay, let's say I'll take some blue color and I want to say, write like, okay, like Control Z I'll do. Thank you. Okay, so very easily, once again I'll just come out of the tool, I'll come to animation tab, I'll select this and I can replay. So you can say it's going pretty much fast, but let me just increase the time duration. This time I'll be increasing the duration. Let's say 4 seconds looks fine. And let me just show you a preview. So thank you. Thanks to you also for watching this video. I'll be catching up with you in the next video. By the time, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.